the gears. First gear, no problem. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, no problem. But if I try to do reverse, it does breaks through that, but it doesn't engage. See, it doesn't go into the gear. Now, somebody said to try to do when the engine is running, try to do like second and then try to do reverse, but that didn't work for me. So now I'm gonna start up the engine. Okay. I'm gonna go through the gears again first. I can move the car, no problem. Second, third. All the gears, no problem. Try to do reverse. Clutch is in. Now, let me see if it does it right now. Sometimes it does like a little noise, like a gear grinding noise. Ready? See, I'm trying to release the clutch. See, if I hold it, like if I'm trying to push it to get reverse, it does the grinding. Release. Okay, now I'm gonna try to do second. Somebody said to do the second. Nothing. So that is not working. Now what I tried to do yesterday, that I was stuck in a parking lot. I try to do like push it in and slowly. No, but this is not working. Right now it's not working, so I can only go forward. Okay, any advice? I was told they might have to put in the transmission. That's not cool.